Welcome back. It's nighttime. We're having dinner. Well, it's not dark out, but we're having dinner. This is Home Chef's Heat and Eat. Home Chef's one of those home delivery things. Blackened chicken with mashed potatoes, with white meat chicken, fire roasted corn, and vegetables. That's what it's supposed to look like. And that's what I got. Well, I guess it would be upside down. It sort of looks like it. I don't see too many of the vegetables in it. I see the corn. I see some of the red peppers, not too many of the green ones, which is okay because I really don't care for those things. There's some onion in them. Ooh, that's a big nasty chunk of onion. I don't want to eat that thing. Here's another big. That's pretty grotesque. Nobody wants to eat these gigantic chunks of onion. At least I don't. Here's a smaller one. I'll eat that one. These fire roasted peppers I don't care for. All right. Ooh, chicken looks good. All right. I got sidetracked there. To make this thing, you can microwave it for 4 minutes. Basically, it's microwave it for 2 minutes, peel back the film halfway, stir the mashed potatoes, and heat another 2 minutes. Or you can do it in the oven, which is what I did, for 375 for 15 to 17 minutes. Because I wanted to be different. I am dinner, lunch times. I can do microwave meals. Dinner time, I want something a little better. Got my standard caffeine-free Coke over here. So let's go mashed potatoes here. There was a chunk of potato in that mashed potatoes. I'm not sure what this gravy is here. Woo! Oh, mother. Oh, that's got a little spice to it, kick to it. Wow. It's not bad, but it caught me off guard because I wasn't expecting it. All right, let's try some of the corn. Uh, Luckily, I got it washed down before it really burned the tongue here. Corn pretty good. I like the corn. All right, let's try a piece of this. Oh, good. I won't need to use the knife tonight. A lot of liquid and water down in there. That keeps the corn all nice and moist. Trying to get just the chicken, not a bunch of stuff stuck to it. I'm not having much luck at it. All right. It says blackened chicken, but this isn't very blackened to me. I mean, I'll stab a whole piece and bring it up here. That's just, to me, that's lightly grilled. That is not blackened. You probably can hear the dog down here. She is going nuts over this. New smells, new smells. Yes, I've never had this before. Hmm. Hmm. I have had one home chef meal like this. It was meatloaf. That was pretty good. Meatloaf was pretty good. Let's it's like a chili sauce. It's like a chipotle chili sauce. Not bad. Hmm. So far, the weak part of this, even though it's still good, is the chicken because it's not grilled enough for me. Nope, there's a piece for the dog. There, go get that dog. I missed my big mouth. It fell off the fork. Ah, well, I don't know what to say about this. I like it, but the chicken is the weak point. Dog, you found it. You got it. Go away. Hmm. Go away. Man. Nothing like a food obsessed dog. All right. Ugh. Already more time than I wanted to spend on this thing. Um. Hmm. I like it, but I don't like it. I like the corn. I like the mashed potatoes. I wish this was just. I don't know. I wish this was just regular gravy, not that chipotle chili sauce. The chicken could be grilled more. It's done, but it could be grilled more. Uh, just a little more grilled flavor, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. The biggest knock on this thing is the price. This thing was $8.99. I got it $1 off, so $7.99. $7.99 for this. It's not even a whole chicken breast, some mashed potatoes, and some corn, and this pathetic stuff here. I just can't. I don't know. Those prices are crazy. But hey, the meal's okay. I didn't try to rhyme that, but it ended up that way. If you've had the Home Chef blackened chicken with mashed potatoes, let me know in the comments below. Like it or not. Till next video.